What's going on, y'all? This your boy J Mizzle, 24. Just taking y'all on a ride at the RDX. Just gonna do little runs. Just gonna take it around the block, you know what I mean? See how this camera mount works out. Just got a new tune, pushing 16.5 pounds. It's a wheel Hendo tune. This thing pulls like mad. Like, it's such a better revision of the first tune that he sent me. Oh God, this thing is pretty quick. It's hot outside, man, and this thing pulls, man. Oh my God. But yeah, being that it's like super hot outside, it can probably do better when it's cooler outside. But man, for this thing to run like it's been running, and it's pulling even at low RPMs, low mid-range, is drastically improved, man. It's crazy, dog. Like, man, I had to do a video regarding this tune because I'm really enjoying it. Yep. Alright, so we're gonna take it. Jesus, got it up to 60 so damn fast. Man, I really like this new tune. If you got an RDX, like, the very first thing you should do, I mean, it's up to you, but if you want this car to be fast, you know what I'm saying, you want this car to be quick, first things first, Hondata. Alright? Even like the little bass tune on it, you're saying, will get you up to at least like 15 pounds, and you'll see a definite gain. And then if you got somebody who's tuning and they know what they're doing, shit, it'll make you even faster, you know what I'm saying? You know, and then of course you want to make sure that you got supporting mods. Like on mine, I got custom 3-inch intake. I basically just use the eBay intake and then got some extra piping, just, you know, to move all that, to move it right there behind the bumper, right there, you know, behind the bumper. So that's a big thing. I got a J35 Throttle body, and then as far as like my exhaust, I deleted my resonator, and let me turn some AC on. I deleted my resonator, and I got a Thrush muffler on there. You'll say, you know, so 2.5 inches all the way back to the muffler. Next year, I'm basically just gonna do like a custom downpipe, a catless downpipe, just for like the secondary cat. So I'm gonna remove the secondary cat, and then I'm gonna get like a downpipe made So basically I have like a catless all the way. That's gonna make my car loud. But by that time I have a new daily, so I ain't, you know, driving my wife nuts. I'll be done paying this car off in about a year or so. So yeah, man, that's where I'm at right now. Woo! This thing is quick, so quick now. It's amazing. And I got another revision put in. He says that my first gear is like really snappy, and but I like this, but I'm gonna try the new revision because he did make it and he sent it to me or whatever like that. But man, it's so much better. Not fast, but it's faster, and it's a huge difference. Such a huge difference. This thing pulls hard, like very, very hard. And I thought that it was quick at first. Before I was like, okay, this is like, y'all said, you know, nah, this is way more harder. Y'all said this pulls way more harder. Such the acceleration is like so crisp. It's almost like it's a freaking like it's NA, like an all motor car, man. This thing is like so snappy now. But if he said he made more, if he said that this next one is even better than the one I just did yesterday, the one I just put on yesterday, woo, we gonna see. And I also got a data log for him, and sending data logs for him so he can see if there's anything else that he needs to change or revise or whatever like that. But man, I'm happy. I really like this, man. I feel like I could take a couple cars, man. I could take some people. Faster. Yeah, man, but this is J Mizzle 24. I just wanted to take y'all on a ride, let y'all see how it is riding in this thing. And even with the AC on, this thing pulls like mad. But I'm gonna get a couple down, window down. Hear that blow off. And update on the coilovers, on the BC Racing coilovers, man, like these things ride good. I had it slammed at first, but I'm not about that low life. So I raised it up about like 1.5 inches. So I should be at like 2 inches front and back. Yes, it's a very even stance. And this thing rides like stock, you know what I'm saying? It's not hard at all, you know what I'm saying? I got the preload set pretty well too. So it's always good to make sure that you preload. The preload on the springs and the preload on the shocks are very important. And then I kind of got the rebound set to like a little hard, you know what I'm saying, like close to like all the way hard. But it's not even hard, it's not jarring, it's not bouncy. You know what I'm saying, like it really rides like stock. Even with me and my family in the car, we went to Williamsburg, which is about like 45 minutes out. So just riding on the interstate, it's nice and smooth. Yeah, man. But yeah, man, that's J Mizzle 24 here with my 2009 Acura RDX SH all-wheel drive. Yeah, man. Peace out.